So check it out. Just when I thought I was done buying for a while, this came up on eBay for $35 and only like $6-7 shipping. And it's the 100th anniversary Hershey train. These were pressed out of Marx molds. I believe that tender is a Marx mold tender as well. This is a Marx 333 mold that they used, and I think they used a Sueth smoke generator. I think that's how it's pronounced. And of course they went with a DC cam motor with a rectifier board in it, and it runs really smooth. The only thing that was wrong with it was the crank on the eccentric here was broken right there, and I was able to use some Loctite super glue and actually glue that back on there, and it's holding on really smooth. The Loctite is what I found is the best super glue that I think is out there. And so just a little work on the tender as well, and now I've got a really nice looking unit, and I'm surprised how quiet these are and how smooth they run with the cam motors in them. And I've got a few of the Hershey cars that I've collected from K-line that I've been trying to collect as many of them as I can, because I've got 3 Hershey engines now, and the only one I'd really like to get is, I know they had an Elko FA. I think they had an A and B unit in one of their sets that's really nice that I like. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with the cars that I've got here. So I thought we'd take it for a spin. You can check it out. It's, like I said, it's a really smooth runner. Yeah, you might just say it runs sweet. Oh, pardon the pun. Surprised that the tender didn't have a whistle in it. I see it had the openings for it, but as I checked online, it didn't come with one. So I might put maybe a Lionel whistle in a K-line boxcar just for the fun of it. Or I might swap and put that tender on a Marx shell and put a Sound of Power unit in it. That'd be fun. I'm really happy with the way it runs. I think this set had a dark brown caboose. I'll have to look for that. How the smoke unit works, I see there's some smoke coming out of it. I think you're supposed to use only Sueth smoke fluid in those. I'm not sure. I'll have to see if I can get some. And of course I put my revolving searchlight on it. We'll pick the camera up and you can just kind of follow it around. Really nice running locomotive. It's got 2 rear traction tires I see on it. I think it's a little bit heavier than the Marx 333. Really a nice looking locomotive. It runs really smooth. I'm really happy with it. For $35, I think I got a pretty decent deal on it. Just had to do a little bit of repair and I'll slow it down here for a minute. I think one of my favorite cars I've collected is this one that I got just recently. I like the little billboard. You have to has some. You can take that billboard off the top, I guess is what I'm trying to say. You have to assemble it. So I'll have to remove it to put it back in the box, but And then I just realized I bought one of these cars. I didn't realize I'd already had one, so now I've got two of them, and that's all right. Can use them on two different trains because I've got my two S2 switchers, and I want to probably have a Hershey run here with all three of them. So all right, so it runs smooth. Looks like the repair that I made is going to hold up really nicely. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.